Hello everyone. When you open a crypto trading terminal, it can look overwhelming as you can see right now. Charts, numbers, wallets, trades, everything moving at once. But once you understand the dashboard, it becomes one of the most powerful tools for spotting opportunities. So before starting the video, if you haven't joined this Padre terminal, you can use our referral code, which is CryptoWhale, being displayed on the screen, or you can also check for our referral link available into the description of the video. If you join through our referral code or our referral link, you can save money on big transaction fees forever, and it's easy to use. So let's get back to the video. What is on-chain data? On-chain data means information that comes directly from the blockchain. This includes things like token transactions, wallet activity, liquidity changes, buy and sell orders. Trading terminal shows this data visually so you can understand what's happening in real time. So here's the first section, which is the price chart. As you can see here, the first thing you will usually see on the dashboard is the price chart. This chart shows how the token price changes over the time. As you can see this by these curves. Okay, so green candles usually represent price increase while red candles represent price decrease. So here's a section 2 which gives you the information about the liquidity. Okay, so the liquidity tells you how much money is available in the trading pool. So if you scroll down here, you can see the liquidity as well. Higher liquidity usually means easier buying and selling, less price impact from trades. Okay, so after that, here comes section 3, which is recent transaction. As you can see that these are the trades, or you can say the recent transaction. Most terminals also show live transactions, but as you can see that this is showing old transaction like 2 minutes ago, 9 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago, as you can see this. Okay, so watching this activity can help you see large buys from whale, sudden sell pressure, increasing trading activity. Okay, so after that, here's a section 4, which is holder distribution. As you can see here, this is the holder. Another important part of on-chain data is holder distribution. This shows how many wallets hold the token and how much wallet owns. Okay, so if a single wallet owns a huge percentage, that could create a risk. Okay, so how to use this information? This is the actual question. So the answer is, when you combine all these dashboard signals together, you get a clearer picture of the market. For example, rising price, increasing volume, more buyers than sellers. This can indicate growing market activity. Okay, so this was all about this video. The more time you spend reading on chain dashboard, the better you will understand how crypto market moves. If you want more tutorials on trading terminals and Solana tools, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Till then, goodbye.